The Ant and the Grasshopper. One summer day, a grasshopper was singing and dancing in the meadow. He saw an ant carrying a grain of wheat and asked, "Why are you working so hard?" "It is a beautiful day for singing and dancing," the ant replied. "I am storing food for winter." "What are you going to do when the cool weather comes?" the grasshopper laughed. "I will just singing and dancing all winter day." But when winter came, the grasshopper was cold and hungry. He went to the ant and begged for food. The ant said, "I told you to work hard in the summer. Now you must suffer the consequences." The ant learned his lesson and never again waste the time. Moral: it is important to work hard and plan for the